In this video, you will learn how to make your Windows much faster, both for using your programs and for gaming. You just need to make a few adjustments that I'll show you in this video. Well, first of all, let's access configuration here in Start menu, Settings. Then let's go to Accessibility. Here in Visual Effects, make sure animation effects are turned off, okay? Then I can close this and then press Windows key, type Services, open the Services first option. This is the Service Windows menu. I will expand this window. I will sort the services by name, so it's more easy to visualize each service. First, geological services, we don't need this. Double click it. Let's make this disabled. In my case, it's already disabled, but let's prevent it from start. Let's scroll down to see what we can remove from start, from service, auto start. If you don't use a printer, you can disable this from start and disable and apply. Okay, you can disable Windows biometric services if you don't use it. If your hardware don't have this, so you can go here and disable too. Okay, you can disable the Xbox accessory live game save. If you don't use the service from Xbox, you can disable Xbox accessory management service. Here, disable, apply. Xbox live saves, also we can disable this. Windows Update, we can only use it manually if we want to update our Windows. Xbox Live Networking Services, disable. I don't use it. Another thing we can disable is Windows Error Reporting Services. It's not really necessary. Well, I think that is it. Now we can again press Windows key. In search bar, we type adjustment. That first option here, adjust the appearance and performance. Let's open that. Here we can just select adjust for best performance. Now in this tab advanced, we're going to make sure programs is selected. Okay, and apply. Okay, so now let's make some Windows Registry modifications. Press Windows key, in search bar type Registry, Editor, the first option here. Yes, here we have our Windows Registry Editor. To make things easier, I will leave the full address of the parameters mentioned in this step in the description. You just need to copy and paste it into the indicate address bar and press enter. Okay, let's double click GPU priority. Here we have to change this value to 8 and change to decimal, and okay. In priority, double click, let's change to 6 and decimal 2. Okay, here in scheduling category, double click 2 and let's type high and okay. We'll access other parameters by slightly changing the address bar. I will delete only the final part, but I will leave the exact address in the description in case you just want to copy and paste it again. Here we have only two properties. If your system doesn't have this network throttling index, you just have to click with your right mouse button, new word 32-bit value, name network throttling index, and enter. I can create this because I already have the same property here already created. I just have this. So double click network throttling index. Let's change it. Here we have A as a value, hexadecimal. Let's change this to letter F 8 times. Make sure it is 8 times the same letter, F. Okay? Then, okay. In system responsiveness, double click and change to decimal and change to 0. Okay. Now, again, let's move to another address here. I will let it in description too, just to copy and paste in the address bar. We have this Win32 priority separation. Double click. Here we have to change to decimal and change this value to, in my case, 38. But you can test another values like 20, 21, 22, 24, 36, 37, or 40. For my case, 38, it's good. And that is it. Registry is already improved with these modifications. Just type Windows plus R key. This will open this window. Type first command prefet, enter, continue. Just type Ctrl A to select everything and Shift plus delete of your keyboard to delete permanently. Yes, I can close this. The next command, again, Windows plus R key. Now we'll type the following, temp, and enter. Continue. Again, we will use Ctrl A and Shift plus delete to permanently delete everything. All right, close this window again. One more time, Windows plus R, percentage temp, percentage, to access another temporary files from the Windows. Again, select all with Ctrl A and delete permanently with Shift plus delete. Okay. If some file is in use, you can't delete it now. Just skip it. In this last step, again, Windows plus R, and now we type clean mgr. Okay. Common. With this window, we can select everything, also the recycle bin, to clear completely any file we deleted without the Shift plus delete key. Okay. Delete files. And that's it. Just wait till the process is complete. And that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if the video helped you. Until next time.